Bro, sliding in the DMs sucks for guys, bro. Oh my god. Before I get to the guys, let me talk about the women, man. Yo, if you are a female, you could pull up into any guy's DM and be like, what's good? It is so motherfucking easy for y'all. I swear to God, it is so easy. Like, it's not even funny, bro. Yo, y'all don't even get clowned on for sliding into men's DMs, bro. It's crazy. If y'all are thirsty, y'all can do whatever the fuck y'all want in this society, bro. In this given society, what allows you. It is crazy, bro. But whenever a guy slides into a girl's DMs, he looks weird. Like he's a weirdo for finding me attractive. How dare he? For he is a simp and a cuck. Like, it's insane, bro. And to the guys that are watching, the fellas, bro, you gotta adapt to the game, bro. You never, ever slide into a girl's DMs with the intention of wanting to. Bro, it's. I don't care what anyone says, bro. I will never, ever slide into a girl's DMs, bro. No matter what. Unless she hits me up first, bro. It's. And, you know, sometimes these girls give off messages that they want you to slide in the DMs, but they don't want to make the first move. It's crazy, bro. I had this girl, this happened a few weeks ago. I got a random follow. I'm like, okay, gaining followers, that's what we do. Alright. And she started liking all my pictures one by one. And I thought that was fucking weird. She was commenting on all of them too as well. I'm like, what the? And then I'm just waiting for her to hit my DM because I just followed her because she really does, you know, have some interesting pictures. I'll admit that. It wasn't the booty, but the aesthetic looked nice. And I'm waiting for her to hit me up, and she doesn't hit me up. And I decide, whatever, I'm gonna hit her up. She responded in a mother snap. That is so weird, though. It just made me realize that girls will never make the first move, no matter what. Why do they do that? I don't know. Female nature. That's all I can say. They don't make the first move. But it's our job as men to make the first move, man. And whenever she pulls into a guy's DMs, bro, she's not viewed down upon. Like, she's not making look desperate. You know, like, guys don't clown on them. You know, guys do clown, but like, in more of a bigger outlook on society, that doesn't look down on them, bro. It's crazy, bro. If you want to get a female's attention, bro, go in her comment section, make fun of her. Just make fun of her, bro. Just trust me. Just make fun of her. If she got an ass pic and her ass is looking fat, look in the outside of the ass. Look in the other region of the ass instead of looking at the ass. Make fun of her environment. Even make fun of her face, bro. But don't make fun of the obvious. Never make fun of the obvious. Or even talk about the obvious. You can even mix those up too. Or you can make fun of the obvious too. I'm tripping. You can make fun of the obvious, but I don't really make fun of the obvious because I never really had that much experience making fun of it. I just make fun of either the area or her face. And they will hit you back up. Even got girls hit me in my DMs like, what the do you mean this and that? Why would you text that my face looks weird? And why would you make fun of my couch? Oh my god. Because I'm not a thirsty ass. That's what it is. And when you guys do hit their DMs, y'all are the thirstiest motherfuckers to ever exist. It is fucking funny to watch them. Oh my god, bro. So, only way you can truly get into a girl's DMs, bro, is either if you make fun of her and she hits your DMs, or either she shows interest, bro. There is no win. Like, if your main objective is to have a relationship with her or to have sex with her, there's no win. If you want friendship, go ahead, be friend zone, because 9 times out of 10 she's gonna be awkward as she won't know what to talk about, and she's gonna be thinking, why should I waste my time with you when she doesn't even know you? I'm telling you, man, in society they don't get mad at women for being awkward as I've met so many goddamn awkward women, bro. So awkward, and they don't know how to start conversations. Yeah, most of these girls are awkward and weird, bro. But it's our job. We gotta adapt, bro. Gotta adapt and dominate. It's the way to do it, bro. Let me just take it back a few steps and just realize, you know, how to go through a process, right? Like, I'm gonna set up a scenario, right? You see this girl, right? She got an Insta page, right? An Instagram page, right? She looking fine as hell, but the thing is, she got like 50,000 followers, and she gets like 10 to 20k likes on each of them, which is a really good ratio, I'll tell you that. You got 60,000 to 100,000 followers. Let's do one of those high tier girls, right? With followers. I'm talking high tier followers, because ain't no girl high tier for me, bro. I'm on my own tier. But dead ass, bro. What's gonna make you different from those other guys simping her, bro? What's gonna be the difference? What makes you different from everyone else, bro? You know, all of them, bro, they paying for her OnlyFans though too, right? How are you gonna compete with those guys? Like, what are you gonna do? What makes her that special? Because she got ass? Because she look fine? Man, you can find that off the street, bro. Just walking around the mall, or even walking around your neighborhood, bro. You can find a 10. I'm being so dead ass. Go to the right mall, or even a baseball game, bro. There's honeys everywhere, bro. And then they good girls too, bro. But there's no such thing as a good girl. Story for next time. But relatively, man, what are you gonna do there? Well, what I would do, nothing. Why? Because why would I waste my time? Send her a DM, or even if I make fun of one of her pictures, 9 times out of 10 she's not even gonna notice that, because she got other simping, being a cock for her. You ain't gonna be a cock for her. So you send your DM. Let's see if she replies. No. Most of the time, she's not gonna reply to you. She's not gonna give a you, bro. She's just not. Why? Because you're not up to her, how should I say this, level. You know? You're gonna let that stop you? Maybe because of what her level is, bro. You're on your own fucking level. So, at the end of the day, bro, don't waste your time. Don't waste your time, bro. Meet girls in real life, bro. It's much more easier, and it's much less games, bro, when you do it face to face, bro. Because they got no excuse. They can't just look in their phone and just type away their feelings. It's much more easier doing it in person. That is all I'm gonna say. Keep it 100. But I really do hope y'all learned something from this, man. I've slid into so many girls' DMs, bro, and all of it just failed, bro. I told you, I got rejected so many times, and I gotten successful so many times. But I've learned through rejection. Rejection really does help, bro. Anyway, man, I hope y'all stay safe. Wash your hands. It's about us. It's about us. I'll see y'all. Peace.